Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sarpy County, south central Douglas County, until 1 a.m. At 12:29 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles north of Gretna, or 13 miles west of Omaha, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include southwestern Omaha, Battalion, La Vista, Ralston, Gretna, Springfield, Elkhorn, Millard, and Chilco. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 435 and 448. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 0100 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Douglas and Sarpy. Severe thunderstorm.
Omaha's getting it now.